since the market slowed, should we renovate?
I got an idea. Since Brett's coming to meet us today, we should tell him we have a showing right before and steal the key.
I know, but he checks the super status all the time, so what are we gonna do?
So just lie to him and let's just tell him that like someone called us and that there's going to be a showing and that you're going to do a showing with your client prior to that.
Oh, that's good. Okay.
Oh, the dirty words that will come out of his mouth.
Okay, so let me call him.
Hello, this is Brett.
Hey, Brett. It's
Hey.
Cindy. I'm
Hey, what's
Misty
up,
DRE.
girls?
Good news.
We got a showing.
Tell me. Nice. When?
Can you meet us in the house, like at the house, in about, I don't know, an hour?
Yeah, 100%.
So we're going there right now. We're going to show the property, and then
Okay.
we'll meet you there right after.
Okay, you guys know where the keys are, right?
Yeah, there's a super on it, correct?
That's okay.
Okay, perfect.
All right. See you soon.
See you soon.
Bye.
All right, bye.
Okay, so we're going to call him back, and like we're going to go show it and tell him that we gave the keys to another agent.
All right.
Hello, it's Brett.
Hey, Brett. So we just showed the house, and another agent showed up, so I gave her the lockbox stuff. So we're gonna go
Okay.
grab a coffee. Do you want anything? And we'll meet you there in a few minutes.
Yeah, you guys can grab me a latte. That'd be great.
Okay,
All right.
we'll see you shortly. Bye.
Thanks, y'all. Bye.
He's gonna kill us. I love it.
Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Cindy.
I'm Misty.
And as you saw in the beginning of this, we are going to a new listing that we have co-listed with our friend Brett, and we're gonna prank him because life is more fun with pranks.
And he'll get really upset. But he's our friend and colleague, and we do a lot of deals with him sometimes, and we're in sports and entertainment with him.
So let's see what he does.
Watch him lose his mind. He's in closer today.
What's happening?
He's snacking. You want something?
Nah, good.
Yeah, we're just like in the weeds.
Is it still there?
No.
Oh.
No, they should be gone by now. We haven't been up there.
Okay.
No. And I just got a call for a showing too.
Nice. Somebody locked the key inside.
Huh? No. How would they do that? No, I don't believe you.
Yeah. Gabriella. No, somebody showed
No,
it.
I gave the key to that agent.
They locked it in there.
What are we gonna do? I had somebody that was just calling wanting to look at the property.
Maybe they left the back window open.
Can you crawl in the window?
Right, you're gonna have to crawl in the window.
What window?
I don't know. You gotta find one that's like cracked open or something.
Oh my gosh, she has it. That agent has it.
She has it?
Yeah, but she's already like in Huntington. Maybe the back door's open.
No. Did the agent say she was coming back?
She'll have to come later this afternoon. You want to talk to her?
No, because I will rip her a new one.
Has this ever happened to you before?
No.
When someone actually takes the key?
No.
It's never happened to us.
So how mad would you be if we said we were lying?
It's not even.
Where's the inside?
It's not even April anymore.
I
Come
know.
on in. Okay, for reals.
Is somebody really coming?
No, you wish. This is what the people that put in the offer, this is what they were going around and round about. Should they remove it or not? Because that's what the big expense is. Obviously, they used it
all the time because it's black from soot on it. However, the kitchen's over there. So
And if they're gonna remove it, they have to take out the chimney, because it backs to the fireplace.
exactly, and that's what the huge expense is for them. Hence the
I
reason.
mean, they might be able to take it out because it's got two separate flues, one here and one for there.
Well, this is the reason that they offered $100,000 less because they feel like that's going to cost them.
I guess the question is, would it be worth it?
Yeah.
Or you can keep it, make all this the living room, make that the formal dining room. You have to take away one of the bedrooms.
I can't believe you guys just stiffed me with that key story. I'm kind of pissed.
Did you believe it?
You never doubted?
No.
Really? See, we're good. We're good.
Story
We're
of my
good
life. Story of my life. What would you have done if I had just like booted that door in to get in? And broke the jam off and everything. Just like, waka.
Anyway, well, this house is amazing, and I think we should consider, like, if it, since the market slowed, should we renovate?
Oh, I don't know.
That's the one complaint we're getting.
I know, but then. So
Nobody wants to do the work; they want it done.
Well, so
which
say
is
they renovate and
a
they
big
drop
mistake.
another $250,000 into it, and then the price. Would we get that back? We told them no. I don't think they would. Do y'all want to check out the outside?
Yeah, I hear it's a really big lot.
Let's go.
It's beautiful out here.
And they have an orchard.
I think there's avocado, orange, lemon.
This needs a little love, but it's like beautiful.
But they're all mature trees, which is great.
Everything grows in California, I swear.
The backyard's so big. The next door neighbor has a tennis court next to the pool.
So if someone doesn't want to go down here, they don't have to. They can just enjoy life right up here.
Yep. And they could they could tear this out and plant grass and have a nice
Yeah, I
backyard.
can
for the
imagine
kids and the
someone
dogs.
using
Yeah.
this spot.
Yeah, I would.
That needs water. These are beautiful.
Uh-huh.
Like, we can buy this and have a farm and sell avocado.
We can go to the farmer's
we can
market and
sell
make a
it.
few bucks.
I mean, that's what we do. Wow. So this is all part of their land, right?
Yep.
This is beautiful.
I'm
This
not.
is still the land right
Yep,
here?
yep.
Okay.
Keep
So I
going.
understand, where was this? Was this the old stable? Is that
Yes.
where they kept the horses?
Yes.
Come look at the stable. It's really cool. So they kept the horses right here?
Yep. Just kind of a.
And then does that
lean-to.
go further down?
And where that fence,
That
that
fence?
chain link fence
Uh-huh.
ends, that opens and that's access to the horse trails right down below.
Oh, cool. Horse trails. Amazing.
Uh-huh.
This is LA. Does this feel like LA to you guys? Like, it's amazing. It's magical. Let's say we renovated and we redo the house simply but beautifully, and we leave that up there. What can we do here, Brett?
Well,
You're a
you-
horse guy.
You probably have to build a retaining wall down there and bring the surfaces up so it's one big flat pad.
You can make this a flat pad. That's awesome.
Yeah, you could come all the way. I mean, it wouldn't be cheap, but it's doable, and that way you could put a legitimate barn there.
More
Awesome.
usable
Uh-huh.
space.
Yep. I mean, this whole thing could be
It's.
regraded to make it pretty spectacular and almost flatten the lot out.
I mean, it's gorgeous. It's
Yeah.
worth it.
Yeah.
I would want to build a guest house out here.
You could put an ADU as well,
Yeah.
one of those pop-up fold-out things that goes up in a couple months and
Let's go look inside the house and see what's
Okay.
up with the what's up. I don't know if it's worth us doing the reno or selling it as is. I think we're kind of in agreement that it's probably better just to sell as is.
I think so.
There's not enough meat on the bone once we renovate it.
But I do think if somebody bought it and renovated it themselves, I think it'd probably push the value closer to $3 million if it was like really sweet. If somebody did buy this place with the thought of renovating it and updating it and moving some walls around and opening some things up, I think it would really be worth it in the end as far as value.
What he's telling me is you have a lot of options.
You do.
You can have us come in, renovate it, and we could probably get, another $1 million for the property?
Probably.
Probably jack it up $1 million, but keep in mind, it'll probably be $300,000 for us to renovate it. If
Plus
it's
his time.
If it's his guy, it's $600,000. But the time it takes and the market has shifted just a bit.
Yeah.
So we've got to take all these things into consideration. I don't know. I think the option we are probably in agreement on is let's sell it as is and allow the owner user to renovate it to their
Because usually if you're going for
expectations.
that tier of buyer, they're gonna want this place to be how they envision it.
They want their own materials.
That's
they
right,
get to
their own
choose.
finishes, the whole shebang. So, you know, you could put $250,000 in here and they come in and, oh man, it's sweet and it's new, and they go, but I don't like it, so they're gonna rip it out anyway, so.
And
Happens
they
all the
do.
time.
Happens all the time.
They do. We put in beautiful floors and like, well, I want marble. They
Oh, it's the
rip
wrong
it out.
color.
We're like, oh
Rip
my
'em out.
god.
What we
horrible.
should do is show them the house across the street.
Oh yeah, we'll show
It's
you
already
what
renovated.
someone did.
I wonder
We'll
if-
show you the exterior because we don't want to knock on their door.
I wonder if we
unless
could
you guys want to.
hire somebody to do a virtual remodel of the inside.
So if you don't want to stage your home, there are companies that'll do it online.
Yep,
There are pluses and minuses to that.
it's not cheap, it's
It's
expensive.
well, it's not as expensive as staging the home, but it is not cheap.
Right.
And when they come to view the home, they see it not staged. So
Which is kind of,
kind of a downer.
you know, a mind blank,
So that's where we come in.
unless they hide the key from you.
We only do that to our special friends.
Special friends, all out of love.
Uh-huh.
But yes, I mean, Brett trusted us and
And see what it got me?
Don't listen to him.
No trust.
That's where we come in. The three of us, you know, we were working with Brett on this project because of his expertise. And we can come in, we can renovate for you, we can do everything. Or we can just sell it and as is.
And we can put you in touch with the people that will do the reno. If you don't like our people, we had a great list of people who do that, from foundation work to roofing to interior design to flooring to cabinets, fixtures, kitchens, the whole thing.
But what you guys really need to do
Is like and subscribe.
is like and subscribe. Thumbs up. Let's show you guys how they renovated the other home. So we love showing you guys before and afters. However, we may not renovate this house, but we want to show you this house
It's
that
probably
was
what they're
renovated.
gonna do.
Like, it's gorgeous. It's amazing what a little paint and some cleaning up does to a house.
The possibilities are unbelievable with this house.
love
It's
it.
really a blank slate.
I would totally live in this house
Yep.
after it's renovated.
You could even live in it while you renovated it. It's big
Yeah,
enough.
you could.
Yeah.
You absolutely could.
Yeah.
That'd be scary.
It would be a lot. It would be a lot.
Take somebody
You'd
with some
fight.
guts.
You'd fight. You'd get a divorce.
Yeah.
Like, it would not be good. But you could do it.
And we can
could.
sell it for you afterwards.
That's right.
Yeah.
Super fun day pranking this guy. But just to wrap everything up, it was great showing you what the possibilities are with this place, right?
I mean, it's an amazing lot. The house has great bones. We're dying to renovate it and make it look like the house across the street. But I think this one is going to be an owner-user person renovated.
100%.
So
100%.
thanks for coming along.
And what are you waiting for? Get up here, take a look, write an offer, and we'll take care of you.
So if you're interested in this house, there's info below. Just take a look and let us show you the house.